Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can simply modify this module to charge more lithium batteries at once, with automatic current regulation. Since this TP4056 module is capable to charge only one battery, with maximum 1 ampere of output current. So, let's test this module before doing any modifications, so that we can see the both working differences. Connect the required input and output wires. Now let's test this module with the lab bench supply. I used one 8650 lithium battery for testing. Connect the module input with power supply. You'll see the blue standby LED on. And on connecting the battery, red charging LED will turn on. As you can see, the module only draws about 1 ampere of maximum current. And with the clamp meter, if we check the output, battery draws only about 0.75 ampere of current. Now let's test with 4 parallel connected batteries. As you can see, almost same amount of current is provided, even after connecting more batteries, so this will overload the module, and will cause module to heat and eventually fail. So, let's modify this module, so that it can boost, and automatically regulate the current according to the load. Now pre-solder the output pads. You can use any P-channel Mosfet, but I used this F9Z34 Mosfet, as this Mosfet requires lower gate voltage to operate. Solder the Mosfet drain pin with positive output of this module. Use a 10 kilo ohms resistor, and solder with pin 7 of the module. This will control and turn on or off the Mosfet, according to the charge status of the battery. Also use one N4007 diode, and connect between the Mosfet gate pin, and the 10 kilo ohms resistor. This diode will not allow any current to flow back, that will eventually interfere with indicators. Use 2 pieces of 2.2 ohms resistors, and connect between the Mosfet source pin, and input positive of this module. Connect another resistor in parallel. These resistors will automatically regulate the current, according to the batteries connected at output. Now pre-solder the input pads. And connect the input and output wires.
This video is sponsored by Altium Designer. Altium Designer is the world's most trusted PCB design system. Altium Designer enables engineers to effortlessly connect every facet of the electronics design process. Over 35 years of innovation and development focused on a truly unified design environment, and makes it the most widely used PCB design solution. With Altium Designer, you can create the PCB designs with intuitive and powerful interface that connects you to every aspect of electronics design process. You can get Altium Designer free through the link below in video description box, so register immediately to start designing your projects. Altium 365 Design, the fastest design review ever, allows you to share your designs from anywhere with anyone with a single click.
Now back to the testing. Connect the input with 5 to 10 ampere power supply, as per your requirements. As you can see, standby LED is now on. And if we short the output, you can see the output protection is working. And also, if we check the output voltage, you can see it is perfectly at about 4.2 volts. Now let's connect the same lithium battery to the output of this module. As you can see, red charging LED turned on, and it is now drawing about 1.4 amperes of current. And on checking output with clamp meter, battery draws about 1.2 amperes of current, so this battery will get charged fast than before. Now let's try with same 4 batteries. As you can see, it now draws about 4 amperes of current and distributing 1 ampere to each battery. The current at output is little fluctuating, as TP4056 IC is turning Mosfet on and off, to regulate the current as per charging status of battery. Since the current is automatically regulated, so you'll not notice any abnormal heating. And if you want to charge more batteries in parallel, you need to upgrade input power supply to higher amperes, and also connect more MOSFETs and resistors in parallel. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.